In this video, I am going to show you how you can find the status of your IDNYC after the application. So let's see how we can do this thing. So once we have the application ID, then we can easily find the status of our ID. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open the 311 portal. So I'm going to access Google and then I'm going to type 311 portal NYC, for example, and here we'll find 311 NYC. So we just need to click here and then we'll see the portal.311.nyc.gov is opened over there. So there is on search box is there and with a search button. So here we just need to type IDNYC ID status and then we can hit enter key or we can click the search button to start searching of that, and very shortly it will bring us a couple of search result. And here on of the link you will find like a status. So see here there are many pages are there, but we have to find IDNYC status, this link. We just need to click here and it will bring this type of page. Here is also you are seeing a status in IDNYC. Now we have to scroll till we find this type of link. One of the first link is application status. We just need to click here, it will be expanded, and then we will find another link, check application status. We just need to click here and it will bring this window. Now from this page we can check the status of our application. So there is two way we can check. One is IDNYC number or check by application number. I just applied, that's why I have to search by this way, like with the application number. And now I just need to type the application number. Once you type the application number, then you will see the verify button is there. We just need to click here to start verification, and very shortly if the ID like application ID is valid, then we'll get this type of report like card approved and mailed out. For me, I just applied long before, like couple of weeks before, that's why it is showing like that. But for your case, you will check the status. For my case, the case was approved and mailed out, like, and it will show you when it was mailed also. And in this way we can easily check the IDNYC application status.